my friends, and welcome back to another Monday T BAG Collab. I hope you enjoyed Kathy's video before me, and we are doing a day at the lake, and it was August's pick, and the reason why I picked this is because he is on a lovely vacation at the lake with his family. And I hope you're having a wonderful time, August. Don't forget to stay tuned after my video for Brenda and August. Okay, so today I'm gonna try to do a sort of beach water landscape theme at the lake. And I'm gonna use some flip cups for this. This will be the sky, and I've just taped it off where I want the sky to be. And then I'm gonna have some water here and sand here. I'm gonna have it facing towards me so I can see what I'm doing. I will show you the paints I am going to be using. Right now I have in this cup, I have some DecoArt Winter Blue with white, as well as a touch of Paynes Gray, which I used as well. Paynes Gray, golden. And then for this one, I mixed together Indigo, Liquitex Indigo with white right here. I am, of course, using white. I have Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, just to give it some, movement on the canvas. Then I have Indigo, Liquitex, Indigo here. Just a little bit, because I just want to put that right on the horizon, right at the edge of the sky. It's the darkest point. And then I have Winsor Newton, Phthalo Blue right here. There we go. For my sand, I mixed my white, the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic, with some golden Quinacridone nickel hazel gold. So, sorry. Here we go. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then I have a little bit of Paynes Gray as well with golden. So just a little, just mixed up to help with the horizon line. I am going to get this ready and we will begin. I will put on some music, so please enjoy. Here are the dried results of my day at the lake. Up next is Brenda Allender, aka Creations at the Table, followed by August Acrylic Art. Please go and check out Kathy's video at Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. I will put all their video links in the description below. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!